Namaste student. Today we are going to learn how to find square of a number using identity. In the last three classes we have seen to find the square using three method, that is a column method, visual method and diagonal method. And this column method and visual method both are depend on identity. And today we are going to use this identity, that is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and another one a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so here we have a problem. Now if you look at the problem, see, I'm going to do two problem, rest you have to do. So here try to understand. Here we have the problem, so you can see that each problem have quite similarity between them. What type of things, sir? Look at the 90, 90, 100, 3, 105, 102, 108, 109. Say I'm choosing the number 100 or 99, 98, 999, 997, all are 9. Have you seen? And all are 100 or 10,000, like that. Why, sir? As to solve this type of problem, generally we give this type of number. There is no hard and fast rule that you will get only this number. You can apply this identity to solve this type of problem. Okay, very easily. That's why we generally give this type of problem. We may give 59 also. You can apply this one, no problem, but it will take lots of time, so we're not going to give that type of number. Now let's see. Here we have 97. How are you going to use this formula and solve this one? So here we have two ways to solve this one. One, if we'll take 97 square, that means they are asking find the square, so we're going to write here square. If we'll take 97 and if we'll write here, sir, 100 minus 3, it will give you 97. Now one student will ask, no sir, I'm not going to do this way. I want to do 97 square equals to 90 plus 7. Can I do like that way? Yes, definitely we can do like that. But now we're going to see the difference between these two, and we'll try to understand that which one will be the better. Okay, now look at here the number 100. So 100 square will be easier than 90 into 90, as it is. Okay, so 9 9 81 we know, so we can put here. But when we're going to multiply 2 into ab, that means this one 2ab, in that case this one will be easier as compared to this one. Okay, let's start and try to see the step and we'll understand from there. Okay, so here a minus b, so which formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, that is your 1 2 3 4, 2 3 is 6 and 2 0 plus 9. Subtract here from 10,000 minus 600 will give you 9,400 plus 9 will give you 9,409. Here we'll start a plus b, so here a square plus 2 ab plus b square. Okay, so 9 9 is 81 and 2 0 are there, see here 0 0. Then what? 9 2 is 18, 18 7 is what? 1 2 6, and we are getting 0 plus 49. If you add them all, you will get here 9409. Now see, if the number will be 997, so if you break here 990 plus 7 or 900 plus 97, take like this. Here it is okay, you can solve it, you know the 18 table, that's why. But if you go for this one 997, and if you break either in this form or in this form, if we take this one you can see here 97 will be there. 97, that means if I'll take, okay, let's go with the next page and we'll try to understand. If I'll choose sir 997 and if I'll write in this way 900 plus 97, okay, what will happen? So a square, okay, let me write here 900 plus 97 whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now you are getting confused, how are you going to solve this one? But if we'll choose so 997, if I'll write here 1000 minus 3, so look at here, what is the difference? A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, and look at here, the problem become very easy. You don't have to multiply here because 1000 2 times, see, you can get 360, 6 2 just 6, 1 2 3 and 9, you will get your answer after solving. So here in this case, if you choose in this type of number to express in this way, it will be difficult for you. So that's why we are choosing this one. That means our target to keep the a as 10, 100, 1000, like this type of number, then it will be easy for us, and generally we prefer this type of number. Now if we'll get any question like 57 sir whole square, what we're going to do? There's no choice. In that case, you take 50 plus 7 whole square and then you have to proceed the way it is given. Okay, but when you will get this type of problem, then you need to choose cleverly which one, this one or this one. If we'll choose this one, you have to do lots of work here also, here also. That means you need to multiply 97 into 97 roughly, and then you have to get the result and you have to put here. It will take lots of time. But if we choose this one, 997 will break in this way, then you can easily get the answer. Okay, because they are asking using identity. If you use this one or either this, you will get full marks, no problem in that case, remember. Okay, but cleverly choose this one or that one, it is totally up to you. Okay, now next we'll see, this is 105. Okay, let's see sir, how are you going to proceed? So let me take 105, not 105, 1005 whole square. So I can write here 1000 plus 5, it will be easy for me now. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So you are getting 1000 means 60 will come, plus 2 5 is 10 and there is 3 0, 1 2 3 25, and your result is 1010025. See how fast we have done. If you do practice, you can also solve this type of problem in this less time. Okay, I hope you have understood and try this all question. Okay, these all are your homework. Make a note in your note copy. Thank you.